Hey all my foodie friends and family, how you doing today? It's a glorious day here again in Toronto. We went through a spat of rain, but now it's time for some leftover hash enchiladas. You ever make hash and you got leftovers? You can use beef hash, chicken hash, turkey hash, whatever hash you have. And I'm using some flour tortillas. And there's the hash that I had left over in the fridge. This happens to be turkey, I believe, with bits of carrot and onion and potatoes. And I'm using that as a filling for the enchiladas, about 3 tablespoons worth. And some shredded cheddar cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. And then I'm just going to roll them up like a cabbage roll or a turnover or however you want to call this. I'm not good at it, as you can see. Stuff falls out. It's okay. It doesn't matter. It's all good once it's rolled up and put in the pan. There you go. Not so bad. Put it in a casserole dish. I've lightly greased it so nothing sticks. Then you just roll up the rest of them and fill up the pan no matter how many you're making. Use a bigger pan. You can make a whole casserole dish for your family. You can make 2 or 3 just for you. I'm using store-bought enchilada sauce. This happens to be a mild version, but there is definitely hot out there. If you can make your own enchilada sauce, please do. I am not that versed in Latin cooking, so I can't make it. I probably could if I tried, but I don't cook in that field very often, so I'm going to stick to store-bought this time. But you do whatever you prefer. I'm sure there's a lot of viewers out there who love to make their own sauce, and I would love to try it if you want to send me some. I'm using some triple cheddar shredded cheese. You can use whatever cheese blend you like. And we're just sprinkling the tops because we want the cheese to get bubbly and crispy on the top. The enchiladas themselves, the tortilla is cooked and the filling is cooked. So it just needs to bake at 350 for about 30 minutes until the cheese melts. And there you have dinner. Along with some salad. Your family will think you slaved all day making this and all you did was wrap up some leftover hash. If you like the recipe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. The more foodies here, the better. Thanks for stopping by for some more food that warms your soul and mine too. We'll see you next time.